In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a button in Webflow. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, centering elements like buttons is a fundamental skill that can bring balance and harmony to your web designs. It's a simple yet powerful technique that ensures your layouts look clean and professional. To begin, let's talk about the container where your button will reside. This container could be a div block, a container element, or even a whole section, depending on the structure of your layout. It's crucial to first have your button placed within this container because we're going to use it as the basis for our alignment adjustment. Now, with your button snugly inside the chosen container, the next step is to select the container itself. By doing this, you'll have access to the settings that will let you control how elements are arranged within it. Here's where we get into the core part of our task: centering. To center the button, we're going to use Webflow's flexbox layout feature, a versatile tool that offers great control over alignment. Once you've selected your container, navigate to the right-hand side of your Webflow interface, where you'll find the display settings. Change the display type of your container to Flex. Flexbox is ideal for this purpose because it allows for easy centering of elements horizontally and vertically, making it perfect for our objective. Now that we've set the container to Flex, we'll make our way to the alignment grid. This grid is a visual tool that helps you position the elements precisely where you want them. For centering, you'll find options within this grid that slightly mimic a noughts and crosses board, allowing you to choose alignment settings. By clicking on the center option within this grid, you're telling Webflow to align any content inside this container centrally along both the vertical and horizontal axes. And just like that, your button should now be perfectly centered. It might seem like a small detail, but centering can significantly improve the aesthetics and usability of your design. When buttons or other elements are properly centered, it can lead to a cleaner look and an easier to navigate site, enhancing the user experience significantly. If at any point you find the alignment isn't quite right, feel free to double-check your Flex settings and make sure that the button is indeed nested within the correct container. Practice makes perfect with these tools, and soon centering elements like buttons will be second nature to you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you can now effortlessly align your buttons in Webflow. Keep experimenting and enjoy the process of creating beautiful, well-structured websites. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.